So this example is actually where the Zendy AI Assistant has access to the content that is licensed by the publisher to be referenced in AI. It has access to the subscription of the libraries through EDS, and it has access. We have also inserted the data from a blog that's called Caney Clues. And what it basically does, it helps researchers and authors to learn everything about publishing, get tips and tricks and everything. So yeah, let me give 3-4 examples where those results will pop up. So the first one would be like, how does the increase in CO2 levels affect achieving net zero emissions? Of course, a little bit depending on how quick it goes on the Wi-Fi, but I'm hopeful. Here we go. So it's gone in the content that it has access to. And here we could even find the verified sources and click on them to go into the article and see how this response has been built up from these articles. So let's do another one. So let's go for what are the latest research papers, another hot topic, or studies published on cyber security. Very hard word to type. Thankfully, I could pronounce it. Here we go. So here are articles, and most recent, we actually see publication year 2026. So that's about as recent as it can get. Let's try one more. Let's see if it comes up with something when we ask, how do I best name a journal? So what I'm expecting here is that it would tap into the blog that we have added as an extra data source to this platform. Here we go. Yeah, so this is how to name your journal. So this would come from Caney Clues indeed. And now the beauty of everything, because accessibility doesn't just mean access, right? It also means to be able to understand the content. And sometimes English is not your native language. So you may want to ask a question in your native language. And so far, the tools that I have tried usually give you a response in English, right? You may be able to type in a different language, but the answer that you get back would not be the same. So let's do the same question. And I'm not going to say it out loud because my Spanish is not what it used to be. But I'm basically asking the same question that I just asked in English. How do I best name a journal in Spanish? No. And then let's see what comes up. Here we go. We get the same response translated in Spanish. And there's many more languages coming. And we really wanted to share this because we believe that this is an important step towards making research more accessible alongside the actual access.